Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be running one of Scott Cawthon's earlier games from 2013. I just saw it on Game Jolt and I was like, heck, why not? Because it was early and people thought it was scary because of the character's looks. Now, if you think that Chipper and Sons look creepy, I suggest you click off this video immediately. Well, in 3, 2, 1, you're ready for nightmares. That's right, I am running Chipper and Sons off of Game Jolt. And now here's one disclaimer. This is not the actual original from Scott Cawthon. A random Game Jolt user decided to do this. And it doesn't look too bad. I've never seen the Chipper and Sons thing before, so we're just gonna get into it. And there'll be no audio of the game because I'm wearing headphones. Let's click new game, slot 1. Well, type the day has come. Not the beginning of summer or your coming of age, but me throwing you out on your furry ear. By the time I was your age, I was out building dams, cutting trees, and blowing up termite mounds. The war with the termites has scarred us all. Famine, disease, death, none of those things have happened. But it still sounds pretty awful, doesn't it? Yeah, let's just skip through this. Task. Why don't you find a tree and chomping it down? Okay. This game is actually fun. Oh. Nut. Oh no. Let's water this guy up. Got rich wood. Task. Okay. Oh my. Okay, so that's pretty much oh, I forgot that. Oh. Well, hello there, fellows. Can I go back up now? Welcome back, kiddo. If you'll bring me the wood that you gather, then I'll make it into lumber for you. Aw. Okay, so that is what you do in Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. Bye. Subscribe and turn on notifications.